Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nene here. I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia. It is an unboxing video of a package from Arjos Art. Actually, I got the package last week, but life happens and I don't have the time to record. So here, here it is now. The package come in this kind of bubble envelope. I love the color. It is teal, my favorite color. Let's open it. Okay, it is wrapped in some kind of, what do you call it, styrofoam. Yeah, it is very well packaged. I like it so much. It is so safe. You see that this is double wrap, so it is very safe. Plus the bubble envelope, and then there is a thank you sticker. It is so cute. Yeah, so excited. Oh my god, the color is very great. This is the Arjos Art symbol logo. Okay, and this is the tray. The tray is very deep. See the size of my upper finger. And then this is the mouth of the funnel. The ridges is very high, and there are also the ridges here. Can you see it? Okay. There is ridges here, and this is the diamond grinder. This is the use direction. I've been waiting to order it so long. I'm really glad I chose this color. Actually, I torn apart between this teal or the blue ones. Okay, let's pour some into this tray. You see? It is lined perfectly. Wow. It is so much more comfortable than the kit ones. You see, if I did that, the diamonds won't fall apart. Okay, if I shake it aggressively, it is also stays in the tray. Yeah, it is a very good quality tray. And now let's pour it back into the the plastic. Wow, it is so perfect. You guys, if you don't order this tray from Archer's Art, you are really missing out. Wow, I just can't even. I love the ridges. I love this part also, and the fact that I don't have to cover the mouth of the funnel, because what I did with the kit ones with the funnel here, I always hold it like this and then shake it gently so the diamonds won't get off the tray. But with this tray, I think I can do, I don't need to be very careful at all. And for this grinder, unfortunately, now I can say unfortunately. Unfortunately, I don't have stock diamonds with me, so I cannot demonstrate how to use it. But yeah, I really glad with Archer's Art products. You can find Archer's Art in the Facebook group. Just search Archer's Art here. Just search this Archer's Arts in the Facebook, and the Facebook page will come up. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps. So see you on my next video. Bye.